So right here, I'm going to catch multiple bass off this newer presentation Ned rig. This is called the Hellamite by Fresh Baitz, and really helps when things get a little bit slow. Check it out. Little one, man. These little guys. There you go. Oh my God, he was chasing it. So right here, I could tell the fish wanted something with a little bit more action. So I stopped hopping it and I swam the bait, and it actually produced a fish, which was pretty cool. So you could also swim these things if you want. Oh, nope, we're on. This one's good too. We got one. He's a big one too. I have to put him in this mud over here. Oh yeah. He's a pretty guy. Beautiful fish. There he is. He's back. Keep that tight line on him. Bite to him. I definitely like the Ned.